size of our leche flan. Look at that, guys. Our leche flan.
I'm gonna taste Mama's leche flan. Very good. So creamy. Yummy. You guys need to do it. Try it.
Going to try it, guys. Tinry na ni Jacob. Tingnan nyo mga langgaing gawa kong leche flan. Oh. Yan. Tingnan nyo yan. Kung gaano ka smooth. So good. Yummy. The best. Happy New Year! Ako, kung titigilan. Masarap.